مرحبا بكم يا أصدقائي. In today's video we're going to be learning about nouns in Arabic. الأسماء باللغة العربية. لنبدأ. In Arabic there are two genders. Nouns can be either masculine or feminine. Most feminine nouns usually end in this little letter here, atar mabuta, so it's quite easy to identify. An example, bait, which means house, is a masculine noun, but daqiqa, which means minute, is a feminine noun, and we can infer this as daqiqa ends in atar mabuta. I must note that there are some irregular feminine nouns that don't always end in atar mabuta, so you have to watch out for those. An example is the word bint, although it means girl, so you can infer that it is going to be a feminine noun, but it doesn't end in atar mabuta. Right, to make the plural of masculine nouns, there are two ways. Plural in Arabic is al-jama'a. So plurals can be either sound or broken. A sound plural, a jama'a al-salim, is very simple to make. Like in English, dog, we add an S, dogs. So the word dog stays the same and we add an S. This is the same in Arabic. We either add the suffix una or ina, depending on the case. Now we'll see more about cases in another video. An example, el-muallim is the teacher. By the way, al means the in Arabic. So regardless of the noun is masculine or feminine, you see al at the start, it means the. So el-muallim means the teacher. The teachers in a normal nominative sentence, when I just say the teachers, is al-muallimuna. When we use ina is when the sentence is in the noun is in the either accusative or the genitive case. We'll see more of this later. Just an example. Ra'aytu al-muallimina means I saw the teachers. Why has it got the ina, that ending, and not the una? It's because this noun is in the accusative case, because it is the object of the verb. What did I see? ماذا رأيت? I saw the teachers. المعلمين. So we have to use this ending. But don't worry about that too much for now. Just know that una or ina for the sound plural. There is also the broken plural, جماعة تكسير. This is when the noun undergoes a structural change in the plural form. The root letters remain, but other letters might be added. So for example, with bait, which means house, we can see the root letters are ba, ya, and ta. However, in the plural, we can't do baytuna or baytina. It becomes buyut, which is houses. Same with walad, which means boy. It's not waladuna or waladina. It becomes awlad. Now you're probably thinking, how on earth can I infer that bait is going to become buyut or walad will become awlad and not wuludun or something like that? You just have to learn it because a lot of Arabic nouns do have a broken plural. So you just have to learn what the plural will be. But with time, there are certain patterns that each noun follows. So with time, you'll get to a stage where you've internalized all the patterns. You'll just be able to see a noun and about 95% of the time be able to just guess the plural because you sort of know the pattern it follows. But for now, you just got to learn the plural. So bait, buyut, walid, awlad. See some more examples. Akh, brother, becomes ikhwan. Jad, grandfather. Ajdad, kelb, dog. Kilab. Medina becomes mudun, which means cities. Just know here that Medina is a feminine noun. It ends in the tar marbuta, but it's got an irregular plural. You don't say Medina. We say mudun. So always watch out for irregular plurals. There's not very many of them though. Qalb, which means heart. Qulub. Ain, eye, becomes ayun. Rajul, man, becomes rijal. Now, forming the plural for feminine nouns is way easier, as you just simply remove the tar marbuta and add at. Example, wife, zawja, we just remove the tar marbuta and replace it with at. So zawja becomes zawjat. Car, siyarra, becomes siyarat. Sharika, company, becomes sharikat. So note about definite and indefinite nouns. To make a noun definite, we simply add, as I mentioned before, el to any noun, regardless if it's masculine or feminine. So a house, by the way, there's no in Arabic. It's just, if you see a noun by itself, it's indefinite. It's a or an in English. So bait is a house. El bait is the house. Kelb is dog. El kelb is the dog. That's all for today. شكرا جزيلا وإلى اللقاء.